What's that sound?
It's a tornado.
Yeah. The soundtrack of a West Tennessee spring. Hey Elijah, what are you doing?
Hi boys and girls. I'm here with YouTube channel. And I got that one right here.
What is that?
That is a... Tell me, is that?
Oh, wow, look. It's a cash register.
It is a cash register.
By Spark Create Imagine from Walmart. How cool is that?
Yes.
So,
and I got those too.
You got you some dinosaurs. Awesome.
Yeah.
So, hey, here's what I need you to do. So, I went to the store and I got a few items. I need you to check out my stuff, okay?
Okay.
Cool. So, first, I got some milk. Woo! All right. I'm going to put the milk right here.
And press that one.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, right here.
Next, I got
What you
cookies.
You got Oreos. Okay. What are those?
Now I have, looks like healthy cereal cups.
Okay. Let me see that. It says cereal. It is Puffs. It says Puffs.
All right, are you going to check me out or are you going to look at my cereal?
It says Puffs. Puffs.
And last but not least, oh, look, I think I'm going for the healthier version, low-fat milk. This is a very healthy options I have here. I'm going to have a healthy meal tonight, aren't I? Can I have my credit card?
Yes. Thank you. Right here.
Oh, you give me money. Wow, this is the best store I've ever been to. I like this store.
Okay.
Hey, what do you think about this cool toy? Do you like it?
Yes.
So let's look at all the cool stuff that we can do with this toy.
Okay.
So here you can enter in the price. So let's say those cookies were $1.99.
Oh, yay!
All right. You can also check stuff out. It lights up. How cool is that? All right. Let me have the credit card. This is what you can do with the credit card. It's really cool. We're going to take the credit card and swipe. Oh, look. It didn't slide very easily, did it? Ugh. All right, but my credit card was approved.
Bye, boys and girls. We're going to come back sometimes.